Didn't you just wish you had a tool which would connect the whole building as you sipped away at your coffee? Well, your dream might just have come true. Meet Intelliconnect. The technology that will keep your competitors guessing how you finish the job so fast. What will you need to do? Well, almost nothing. Just select the whole building and press the magic Intelliconnect button. Now, take your cup of coffee and watch COMOSYS connect the most complex joints with almost human-like intelligence. Can't believe your eyes? Yes. That is COMOSYS shifting the frames to avoid clashes. It's also ensuring the constructability of the joints, leaving enough space for the steel workers to tighten those bolts. Those time-consuming floor connections will be ready before you take that sip of steaming coffee. Oh, and yes. Did you notice how it's aware of all the elements framing into the same joint as well? Just watch these complex beam column joints being intelligently connected from all sides with nothing clashing. Now that is what you wanted. Didn't you? What about your column splices? Intelliconnect, your purlins? Intelliconnect, your girts? Once again, Intelliconnect, your base plates? Intelliconnect, oh, and we didn't forget your batten plates too. I think you just spilled your coffee, sir. So sorry for that.